Hello, and this demo is going to show you how to prep your carrots for your carrot cake. So the objective of this unit is to get you familiar with processing equipment, okay? So this unit focuses on processing and heavy equipment. So processing equipment saves you time in the kitchen. Most processes that a piece of processing equipment does, you can do it by hand. It's just if you use the equipment, it's going to be faster and save you time, which is more efficient for a bake shop. So for example, okay, our carrot, so here's our carrot for our carrot cake. We're only making one carrot cake. Typically in a bake shop, they're going to be making multiple carrot cakes, all right? They're not just going to make one. They're going to make a bulk quantity, okay? So they need to grate their carrot very quickly, where if you were making this at home, maybe you're not going to take out the food processor or any other contraption that can process or grate carrots. You probably would use a hand tool known as a grater, all right? So you can use a grater at your house. However, we want you to be familiar that if you were at school, you would be using the good old food processor, all right? So to prep your carrot for the food processor, that's what I'm going to show you, all right? So I have my carrot and I have a knife, and I'm just going to cut the top off, and I'm going to divide my carrot into 3 different pieces, okay? Because if I put this all in if I put the whole carrot in at once, it's going to just clog my food processor, okay? So I'm just going to move this off to the side, and then I'm going to take my food processor, okay? So a food processor comes with an S-shaped blade, and it goes right snug inside. The food processor comes with a removable bowl. You want to lock it in place. Typically, it will come with an attachment that lets you grate. We're just going to really mince up our carrots. I think it makes better carrot cake, okay? So I'm just going to put that right in so. And then this big, large piece is going to lock right in like that in my food processor, okay? So I'm going to start this. I'm going to put my first carrot in, let that go. My next carrot. All right, so that came out. So this malfunctions, it stops. And a lot of the times, then the kids would open it and be like, put it in the opposite way. And then they're like, it's not working, what's wrong? That's when you would ask, okay, what's going on? What did I do wrong? And then you just keep grating. All right. And I have another chunk in there. All right. So we are good to go. Open it up. Take my carrots out. All right. I'm going to kind of slide this back down. And now what I need to do is I need to measure 1.5 cups of my carrots. So 1.5. So carrots are going to add flavor, moisture, sugar to our fabulous cake, right? So sometimes students will say, do I have to add the carrots? Yeah, it's the whole point of the lab. So when you're measuring out these carrots, you want them to be light. You don't want to, meaning when you measure it, you don't want it packed, okay? Because they're going to add so see how I'm kind of just setting it inside, all right? So I would do this with a spoon at your house. For the purpose of this demo, this is what I have. I don't want to dirty too much, all right? It does the same thing. And I'm letting it be light and airy. I'm not packing it in, all right? So there's my 1 cup, and then I have my 1/2 cup extra. So light and airy, just like so. All right. And this is actually just going to dissolve into our batter. When you measure carrots, they are measured and mixed with the liquid ingredient. So this is considered a liquid ingredient, even though it's solid. All right. So thank you.